Well, it looks like another fantastic day to get the jet skis and Jetboat out and have a bit of fun. But you know, I've got a feeling things are going to go very wrong. Yep, somebody cooked the bacon, as they say, and this is the result. Luckily, no one got hurt, but now the bloody big job of fixing up the damage. We've pulled the engine out and the bimini off, and it's time to have a look at what sort of damage has been done structurally. And the inside of the hull has been fractured, down the bottom's got a fairly big fracture line, and the engine mountings have been torn. So the plan is to line up all the parts of the jigsaw, fiberglass them back together, and when all the parts are aligned, we'll prepare the surface and get it all back nice and smooth. And we're planning to use a 2-pack epoxy system once the area is all faired. Now we're starting to get all the pieces lined up pretty good, and a little bit of filler. And now the surface is pretty well prepared for the first coat of 2-pack primer. And now the external work is really coming together. It's starting to look pretty good. And there's a few more coats of primer, and it's time to start thinking about preparation for inside the hull, where it's got to be reinforced with woven rovings. And these are the woven rovings that I'll be using inside the hull to reinforce it. And this is a technique I use for cutting the sections of the rovings, or the woven rovings, up so that I can use them inside the hull, usable sizes. Woven rovings are commonly known as woven mat, actually. Right, this is where we're at the moment. The structure has been restored here, so we've restored the structure. And now for the worst part of the job, laying in here in the bilge, reinforcing the outside of the hull, or the inside of the hull, with woven rovings, and the fumes are terrible. And this shot is from the engine well, looking into the area which I've now got to reinforce with the woven rovings before it's painted with flow coat. And there's the finished flow coat. Engine mounts reinforced, ready to roll. We'll put the engine back in, that is. And now it's time to put it back in the water, give it a bit of a run around, make sure we've got all the bits and pieces put back in the right spot, and have fun. Well, you got to be happy with that. Another one back in the water and going fine. Well, all I can say is, be careful out there. And, as always, never, never, ever, ever let it end.